Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming demand quickly. Run small cold traffic tests until you see 5-10 purchases or a CTR above 1%. Once done, build a single focused landing page with one clear CTA and 3 to 5 benefit statements so visitors convert. Make sure to install the Ad Platform pixel and add UTM tags. Set conversion events for view content, add to cart, and purchase. This gives you real data immediately and prevents wasted spend while you tune audiences and creatives. You now expand methodically. Run 3 creative angles: demo, lifestyle, and social proof, so you learn which message sells. Simultaneously create audience tiers, small lookalikes 1%, interest clusters, and layered retargeting with 7, 30, and 90-day windows. Once you have signals, move budget into the winners. Use campaign budget optimization or manual control and put roughly 70% of spend behind the top ad set. This approach lets you isolate variables and scale what works without blowing the budget on unproven ideas. You finish by optimizing to profit metrics. Move by ROAS and CPA rather than vanity clicks. Pause any ad with CPA exceeding your target by 20%. Scale gradually, raise budgets 10 to 30% daily, and cycle in fresh creatives every 7 to 10 days to avoid ad fatigue. If performance drops, troubleshoot the basics first. Test landing page load times, remove checkout friction, and verify pixel and conversion mapping. Fix those, then relaunch winners, so scaling stays profitable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.